Okay, so for today's experiment, we're going to be doing the Coke and Mentos challenge. We went to the dollar store to save a little bit on our supplies, so instead of Coke products, we're going to be using Pepsi products. So our first bottle is going to be regular Pepsi, our second is going to be Diet Pepsi, and our third is going to be Pepsi Zero Sugar. I had to use this experiment for my chemistry class, so we're doing the experiment 2 times. And the first round, we're going to put 4 Mentos in every bottle. And the second round, we're going to put 6 Mentos in every bottle. So in total, we got 6 bottles of Coke and we got 3 packs of Mentos so that we had enough just in case a kid wanted to eat one or something fun like that. In order to do the experiment, you're either going to need some sort of a tube or a paper. I just rolled up a little paper big enough to fit my Mentos into the hole, put them in, held it with my finger, let the kids count down, and then dropped my fingers out of the way and let the Mentos fall into the bottle. So the reason that this experiment works is because as humans, we breathe out carbon dioxide. I think that's the easiest way to explain what's happening with the air in the candy. And in a bottle of Pepsi, there is carbon dioxide, which is why it fizzes when we open it. Although we can't see it, it is present in the bottle. In Mentos candy, the coating has a couple of holes in it that allow air to be pushed through. So due to the density of a Mento, it's going to drop to the bottom of our bottle. And at the same time, the air is going to be pushed up through the holes in the candy and up out of the top of the bottle. So that is why our experiment works, and that's the best way that you can explain it to your kids at home whenever you're doing it, and really the easiest way to make it explain to myself and understand why it worked. So I hope you enjoy our experiment.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I bet the next one's going to be better.
It was like a Coke firework.
Okay, this time we're going to be doing 4 Mentos in the Pepsi Zero Sugar.
That one's going to probably be.
Who's counting me down?
Me.
Go.
1, 2.
No, 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
That
was bigger.
Let's see if the third one could be bigger.
Okay, this time we're going to do Diet Pepsi, and again we're going to use 4 Mentos.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! That's even bigger.
Okay, this time we're going to use regular Pepsi, and we're going to use 6 Mentos. Go, Jack.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It didn't go very high.
Nope. All right, this time we're going to use Diet Pepsi, and we're going to use 6 Mentos. Go, Levi. 5, 4, 3, 2,
1.
woohoo!
That's not actually the highest.
Yes, it was.
And the next one.
Okay, last one. For our last one, we're going to use Pepsi Zero Sugar and 6 Mentos. Go for it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Jack is the winner.
Black is the one.
Good job.
Black won! You don't have to drink this.
Levi, you go first. Which one was your favorite?
A black one.
How come?
It was real big.
Very big? Jackson, which one is your favorite?
Blue.
Blue? Why?
Because it had more Mentos than black one.
They're the same.
They had the same.
Which one was your favorite explosion?
I think the black one.
Black one was your favorite? Kenny, which one was your favorite?
Explosions?
Mhm.
The black one, the last black one, because it went really high.
And how many Mentos did that one have?
6.
So do you think, Jackson, you can answer this too, do you think that 4 Mentos or 6 Mentos made it bigger?
6. 4. Didn't make it bigger. 60. All the way right
60.
all the way up to there.
It went all the way up to there.
All the way up to there.
Good job.
All the way up to outer space.
Outer space.
That's really high.
Okay, everybody ready? Okay, so for our regular Pepsi, all of our bottles started with 2 liters, okay? A cup is smaller than a liter, and if we look at our thing right here, it has 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, and 4 cups. So we know that this started out with 2 liters, right? We're gonna dump it in here. Jax, you wanna dump it?
Can I dump the next?
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't know the next one.
Yes.
The Mentos?
Perfect.
The Mentos.
The Mentos are stuck in here. Okay, so we have 3 cups. Now, if we want to know how many liters that would be to see how much we lost, it is 0.7 liters. So we lost half of the bottle and a little bit more than that on this one. So, remember, how much did this start with?
7 cups.
No.
2
liters. 2 liters. Okay, dump it in here for me and let's see how many cups we have left.
Mentos.
Ooh. This time we have 2.5 cups. So that means that we have half of a liter. Okay, so we have half of a liter, which means we lost half of our bottle and a little bit more. So we lost 3/4 of our bottle of Pepsi.
That was good.
So for our diet Pepsi that had only 4 Mentos in it,
Can we try that one?
yeah. Well, no, not this one. We can do a different one.
Like the black one again. 1 Mentos.
Okay. This time we got 2.5 cups again, so we know that that means we lost 3/4 of our bottle of Pepsi. Okay, so this Pepsi, we used 6 Mentos in it. Oops, lost a Mento. Okay, so again this time, we have 2.5 cups left. So we have half of a liter left, which means that we have 500 milliliters. Because in 1 liter, there are 1,000 milliliters. So this one has 500 milliliters.
No.
Okay, so this one, we have 2 cups for our Pepsi Zero Sugar, which means that we'd have about 0.4 liters and about 16 ounces.
I got some.
Okay, so this is our Diet Pepsi with 6 Mentos in it, and we're gonna dump it in our measuring cup.
And we can drop it.
Think we will?
Yep, we did. We got
What? This one is 3 cups left. Okay, so the one that won was our black Coke Zero with 6 Mentos in it.
like this one.
That one won, yep. Hug the winner, Jax. Okay, but don't spill on your shirt, though.
Can I have some of the winner? Of the winner?
Kenny's turn.
I can try some.
Yep.
Was it good?
It's a little
Minty.
minty.
And probably horribly flat.
It kind of tastes nice. It didn't kind of taste like.
Did it taste fizzy?
It kind of tastes fizzy with.
Did it taste
Mentos.
fizzy, though? Because I see 0 fizz in this bottle.
It kind of did. It kind of. It was fizz mixed up with Mentos. It was kind of weird.
You can just pour it out in the ground.
You're trying to ruin God's grass?